You there, good morning student. Today we are going to do the solved example of a textbook. So question 1 in figure 6.9, lines PQ and RS, they are intersecting each other at point O. If angle POR, this angle, and angle ROQ, this angle, the ratio is given 5:7. Find all the angles. So they have given the ratio of these two angles. Now see what is the relation between them. POR and ROQ, they are linear pair. That is why in the first step I have written angle POR plus angle ROQ equal to 180 degree linear pair. I have given equation 1. The ratio is also given, and I told you if ratio is given you have to take a common multiple. So let angle POR is equal to 5x, angle ROQ equal to 7x, and from 1 means from this I will substitute angle POR with 5x and angle ROQ with 7x equal to 180. That is 5x plus 7x 12x equal to 180. X value will be 180 upon 12, that is x equal to 50. Now angle POR, we already know x value now 15. Now we can find angle POR by substituting x value by 15. So 5x, that is 5 into 15 equal to 75. And second one ROQ, angle ROQ equal to 7 into 15, that is 105. Now student, angle POR and angle SOQ, they are vertically opposite. Similarly POS and angle ROQ is vertically opposite, so they will be equal. That is why angle POR is equal to angle SOQ equal to 75 degree, and angle POS equal to angle ROQ is equal to 105 degree. This is your solution of the first question. Question second, in figure 6.10, ray OS stand on the line POQ. Ray OS stand on the line POQ. So I can write this, since OS stand on POQ, so I can write this as angle POS plus angle SOQ will be 180. So ray OS stand on line POQ, that is angle POS plus angle SOQ is equal to 180. But POS is x, so I have put x plus angle SOQ equal to 180. That is angle SOQ will be x, I will transpose 180 minus x. Now second statement, ray OR is a bisector of angle POS. Bisector means it divides this angle POS into two angles of equal measure. Now student, we want ROT angle. ROT is a combination of ROS plus angle SOT. So we have to find out angle ROS plus angle SOT. So angle ROS will be half of this angle POS. That is why I have written ROS is half of angle POS, which is equal to half of POS is x. POS is x. So half of x, that is x upon 2 equal to 1. Now SOT, we have to find ROT. So SOT we will find. Now OT is a bisector of SOQ. Okay. So SOT will be half of angle SOQ. So angle SOT will be half of angle SOQ. Now half of what is SOQ? It is 180 minus x. Now multiply. Half into 180 will be 180 upon 2 minus half into x will be x upon 2. 180 upon 2 will be 90. So 90 minus x upon 2, that is equation 2. Now again I am repeating, ROT we have to find. ROT is the sum of ROS plus angle SOT. Okay. So angle ROT is sum of angle ROS plus angle SOT. ROS plus angle SOT. From equation 1 we know ROS is x upon 2. So I have written x upon 2. And SOT is 90 minus x upon 2. 90 minus x upon 2. Here plus x upon 2 minus x upon 2 cancel. That means angle ROT is 90 degree. So this is your solution second. Now question third student, in figure 6.11. This is the figure. Okay, this is not drawn. This is the figure. OP, OQ, OR and OS are four-way. We have to prove PO Q plus QOR plus SOR plus SOP or POS is equal to 360. Okay. Now what is given? OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 ray. Okay. To prove the sum is of the given angle is 360. Now we have to here do one construction. Now extend one of the ray. Now here I have extended QO up to T. Extend OQ up to T. You can extend any one line. You can extend PO also if you want, RO also, SO also, but any one ray. Okay, so I have extended OQ up to the T. Now student, this TOQ is nothing but a line. Okay, so here I have written ray OP. Ray OP lies on line QOT, or you can write TOQ. So it lies on a line QOT. Okay, that means angle TOP and angle POQ, their sum will be 180. Linear base. I have given here equation 1. Now again observe this figure. Now this down. Okay, इसके नीचे यहाँ. So you are getting 3 angle, that is angle TOS, angle SOR, angle ROQ. So this 3 angle sum will be 180 because they are on the straight line TOQ. So here again I have written angle TOS, angle TOS, angle SOR, plus angle ROQ or QOR equal to 180 degree. This angle QOR, or you can write ROQ, but write which angle is given in the to prove. Here angle QOR is given, so write QOR equal to 180 straight angle. Now add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. So left hand side will get add with the left hand side. So angle TOP plus angle POQ plus angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle QOR equal to, now addition of the right hand side, 180 plus 180. So angle TOP and angle TOS I have taken together, because then I will get SOP or POS, which we want in the to show in the question. Here POS we will get, which we have to show in the question. That is why I am taking POT and TOS. So I will add them. See, here I have taken rest of the angle POQ, then QOR, then SOR I have taken as it is, equal to 180 plus 180, 360. Now addition of TOP and TOS will give me angle POS. So the addition has given me angle POS. Okay, which I have written here, this angle. Okay, so just I have written. Now what we wanted to show, angle POQ. So this angle POQ plus QOR plus SOR plus angle POS is equal to 360 degree, hence proof.